Hello everyone. Recently, I had the opportunity to be a part of a very interesting and exciting event about climate change and how climate change affects Asia. What was this event? Here it goes. Over the weekends of 29th and 30th August and 5th and 6th of September, I was the part of Asia Climate Leadership Camp or ACLC 2020, organized by 350.org. This event brought together the region's youth climate strikers and campaigners for a 4-day virtual training about online organizing and compelling storytelling to defund the Asia fossil fuel industry. The idea here is to create a network of youth finance campaigners that will lead to a decentralized strategy for a fossil-free Asia by 2030. The virtual event was organized very smoothly and consisted of multiple sessions, including topics like Move Money, Build Future, which helped us understand how we can hold the financial institutions accountable for funding the fossil fuel projects and how we can drive them to cut down the funding for these projects. The session that I found most interesting and helpful was the session on storytelling for climate action. As a storyteller myself, I got to know the various ways of covering the stories of people being affected by climate change through digital media. On day 3 of ACLC 2020, that is 5th of September 2020, I was given an opportunity to present and talk about youth engagement in climate and sustainability in India. Here, I highlighted the different initiatives being taken by organizations that I have been associated with over the past 4 years. The training included multiple breakout sessions and networking sessions where I got to meet like-minded people from all walks of life. One of the most memorable moments here for me was meeting people who were in this fight against climate change so that they would be able to give a clean and beautiful environment to their children and grandchildren. I found this very inspiring and motivating to continue working against climate change. Once again, I would like to thank the entire team of ACLC 2020 for organizing such an amazing event for all of us. If you found this video interesting, please do hit the like button. Comment below and tell me how you are contributing in the fight against climate change. Share this video with your friends and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you super soon with another vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and keep doing what you love.